YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy I Trap Harder, back in it. Show you all some little more upgrades that I did over the week. Unfortunately, these upgrades I did not make a video for them because I did not know what I was doing, so I was kind of winging it and calling people asking for advice and whatnot and those sorts of things. So the first upgrade I'm gonna share with you all. I went ahead and added a backup camera, factory backup camera in the tailgate. Also did a tailgate lock here. As you can see, is a lock right now. Just put my key in there, turn that lets down. Also, I also added a new head unit in the Silverado. This head unit here is a soundstream vrn, I think it's dd7hb, something of that nature. We're gonna give it a second for it to power up. I chose this head unit because I don't wanted me a big screen, and that was gonna have all the features that I need, such as navigation, backup camera, Bluetooth, those sorts of things. And then the largest screen that I could find was a 10-inch. I kept searching, and I came across this Soundstream. And with this Soundstream, it does have a surprise to it, which I'm going to get to you all there. But I went ahead, I got the backup camera installed on it. So when I click it into reverse, it comes on. As you all can see, I got the lines there. Now the great surprise about this head unit is this. As you all can see, that screen comes down, and then voila, a whole nother screen comes out. Now on this screen, the only things that you can do is navigation. It has the phone link here if you want to sync your phone up. So what I'm going to do is get one of those USB ports that's powered by USB, because the radio does have a USB outlet in the back. I'm going to plug that into there so that way I can charge my phone up through here, as well as do my have my phone link mirrored. Right now just connected through the Bluetooth, which is fine and dandy for me. But I do want the phone link because it has all type of features. I can use all my apps that's on my phone, that sorts of things there. For the power, when it came to the backup camera, under here, down here, there is a junction box, and it has a blue wire coming out of it. That is your reverse activated light. So you just tap into that, and the radio had a wire that was specifically labeled for backup camera. So you tap your positive from your backup camera and your wire from the harness into that reverse activated, and that's how you get that to come on once you go into reverse. But as you all can see, the Soundstream has multiple features: Bluetooth music, Bluetooth phone, USB aux in, rear view camera, phone link. The radio is not going to work right now because last night I had to take the radio back out, and in doing so I damaged the antenna adapter. So I'm gonna go get another antenna adapter tomorrow so that my radio will be working just as fine. But let's go ahead and close that, and I'm gonna show you all the controls that you do have with the Soundstream. Okay, so once you come into your Soundstream, let's see here. Okay, so this is where that's my phone name. This is where the Bluetooth and everything will come on. Let me turn that down. I'm sorry. But in the meantime, yeah, let me turn that down for copyright issues. But in the meantime, you can come here to your equalizer, and you have all these options: treble, middle, bass, woofer, and loud. I mean, the radio is amazing. I also have two 10s in the back that I'm gonna be hooking up in a couple of days, and we're gonna see how that sounds. It also came with the GPS module that I placed here, and I got that hooked up. It only cost me about $40 for the harness for it. I got it all in and all my connections soldered. And yeah, and like I said, the only reason that I didn't shoot a video for this is because that was my first time ever installing a radio, and I was more so calling people, just verifying and asking questions, rather than wanting to record and make a video for it. But this is just an update on it. Soundstream, new radio connected with the backup camera. My 210s will be connected soon, man. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe and share the video for me. Peace.